Hey guys, my name is John Gyra. I'm a ServiceNow architect over here at RapDev.
I'm Lyndsey Cohen. I'm a senior ServiceNow engineer at RapDev.
So today we're going to be walking you through RapDev's now.yaml solution. So what the now.yaml solution really provides is a way to register microservices inside of the CMDB without developers having to log into ServiceNow through the front end, the GUI, which everyone knows is kind of a pain, especially for developers who like to stay inside of their own toolset. So what Lyndsey's going to do is walk you through that high-level process.
All right, so we'll start with a commit in your Git repository of a now.yaml file. From there, a webhook event is triggered, and it comes in a ServiceNow. We do a little bit of validation, just checking that the file and branch type matches our pattern. So, for example, main or master branch, and then the file type should, the file name or file type should be a now.yaml file. From there, we'll go do another API call to get the actual contents of the now.yaml file. Once we get that, we process the file and we send notification and update the CMDB.
So, what actually happens inside of the CMDB through the processing of this now.yaml? So over here, I have an example now.yaml file, which I'm just calling RapDev shard now.yaml. So based off of the type of solution that our customers are looking for, we have various different flavors of the now.yaml. We have some that are very bare bones, like this one that follows when an organization has a governed tag strategy, where we know what tags are going to be on their resources. Other ones, it's more defined, where you're going to be listing out tags, but for the sake of this one, I just have this sample now.yaml file right over here. So what you list out in this YAML file is, first and foremost, you have your business applications. Because you're going to be listing out whatever business applications are utilizing the microservice that the YAML file is actually for. So in this case, for the microservice RapDev shard, we know that the RapDev.io and RapDev chatbot business applications are utilizing the RapDev shard microservice. And this is because, in essence, of what microservices are, they can be leveraged from various different places, but we want to make sure we have those types of relationships inside of the CMDB. So again, this is the actual YAML file. It's very developer friendly. It's files that developers are used to working with. But inside of ServiceNow, what actually happens is the microservice will go ahead and get registered as an SDLC component, which is a new entity in the CSDM 4.0. We also have relationships upstream to the business applications, which we see right there. And down below it, we actually have the application services. So it's really just different instantiations of that microservice in the different environments in which it's deployed. So the two examples that I have here are prod and dev. So a little bit before, I talked about, this epitomizes an organization that has a good tagging strategy. What actually happens in the back end is this lends itself to tag-based service mapping, which is usually a pretty manual process inside of ServiceNow. With this process, it is all automated. Based off of your tagging strategy, what we will be able to do is dynamically look at what resources have the services and environment tags that are there, and dynamically create those application services for them. So these application services got created because it noticed tags on resources that had RapDev shard and environments prod and dev. As soon as new ones will go ahead and get picked up, QA, UAT, those will get dynamically created and associated to the SDLC component as well. So that wraps up our overview of our now.yaml solution. For any more information, if you want to learn more about this and our offerings, visit our website at rapdev.io. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.